Hey guys, welcome back. This is Lewis, and we're going over the Salient Studio. It's going to be pretty short. It's pretty self-explanatory, but there's a few things that you'd probably like to know. The way you get to Salient Studio in the front end is you click on Salient Templates, and here's the Salient Studio. So as we scroll down, it goes by date, so you can sort by date or alphabetical. Unless you're really good at remembering the keywords for every single template, I would just recommend keeping it a date because everything, all the new stuff will be all up on top. So that's pretty cool. And you can switch in between the two. The biggest thing is that, when you're first starting off a page, think of a hero section. That's what you're probably gonna need first. And a lot of the coolest stuff is up front, so you can just grab that pretty quickly. And then, think about probably like an about section. You'll probably need more of an information section, right? And then you'll probably want a call to action from that point forward. These are different kind of call to actions that you can use. And of course, I would recommend, it's always good to have the copywriting finished before the page is done, or before you actually start on the design and even using any of these templates. It's much better to start with the writing done first, fully completed. That way you know what you're going to put into each place, and you can kind of go in this style. If it's an about page, you're probably going to need about and team, right? Something like that. So, and that's how you use it. And then you just click on, say engaging team section, and it fills out its own, it fills it out for you based on if you already have a demo imported, or if you have styling already styled, then it'll import into your own style sheet and style set. So pretty simple, self-explanatory, but powerful and awesome as per usual. Please comment any question you may have. Please subscribe. It really helps spur everything along and motivates me, and I want to help you guys. I want to help you be better designers and developers, especially starting off using Salient. So hope that helps.